Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn and its premium feature in order to apply to jobs in Germany while you are still in India. So let's get started and jump into my screen right now. So here you can see my LinkedIn homepage, and if I click the jobs section, I can see a lot of option here in order to search for a new job. And suppose I want to search for Django developer, I can click this suggestion and you'll see that I'm provided with a list of jobs which are available at the moment where I can apply to. And on the right side, you can see that the job detail is also shown. If I scroll down a bit, you will see there's a new section called Premium. So since I'm a premium member, I have some extra privileges which I can actually see some extra insight about this particular job. So here you can see that there are 3 applicants to this particular job, and the top skill of the applicants who apply to this job are English and research, Java, SQL, and all these. But if you see this green tick mark, this means that I'm also having this particular skill. So it says that 1 out of top 10 skills I'm having. So that means I do not have all the remaining skills which are required for applying to this particular job. Yeah, so this is a really great insight. Using this insight, you can actually update your profile if you are already having one of these skills and you have not updated it in your profile. And if you do not possess this skill, then you can actually go ahead and do some learning and update your skill set. And once you have that skill, you can update it in your LinkedIn profile. I will scroll down a little bit further and you can see that there are further options like seniority level, education, and so on. So inside the seniority level, you can see that 2 senior level applicants are already there for this particular job, and 1 entry level applicant applied for this job. So if you are already a senior level applicant or an entry level applicant, then you can make a guess on whether you stand out if you apply to this particular job or not. And it also says that 33% have a bachelor's degree similar to you. Since I hold a bachelor's degree, it shows me that 1 person out of the 3 has a bachelor's degree which is similar to me, and the remaining 2 people have master's degree. Then if I scroll down further, it shows me the place from where the people have applied to jobs. You can see that some people applied from Germany, some people applied from Kiel, and some from India. Since we have already noticed that only 3 applicants are there, that means 1 person from Germany, 1 person from Kiel, and 1 person from India has applied to this particular job. And if I scroll down further, you can get more information about this company and, yeah, of course, how many followers they have, how many employees they have, and a lot of other stuffs. Let's go to another job opening. So let me see. This looks better. And here you see there are 15 applicants, and if you see the job description, yeah, so I wanted to tell you one important thing, that when you're trying to apply to jobs in Germany while you're still in India, my preference would be to apply to only those jobs where the description and the job title is in English. Do not never ever apply to jobs which are in German, because they would expect that you also understand, you can read and you can understand German if you're applying to the jobs which are already posted in German language. So please do not apply to German jobs, the jobs which are having description in German language. Rather apply to only those jobs which have description and the job title in English. So this looks like a really great description with all the information needed. And if you go further down, you will see the similar description that we saw earlier. But here you can see that more green ticks are there, which means I, as a candidate, is having 7 out of the 10 top skills required for this particular job. So if I apply to this job, then there is a great possibility that I will get an interview call from this company. And if you see some more insight here, there are 15 applicants so far for this particular job, and 1 applicant in the past day. So if you look at these statistics, you will understand that not many people are applying to this job. So you really have a good chance to stand out. And I can also see that there are 3 skills which I do not have as per LinkedIn, but I already know: SQL, and a little bit of Linux, so I can update my profile with these skills, and these options will also get in green tick mark. And hence I will have 8 or 9 out of the 10 required skills, and this will be a really plus point, and it will also show my profile highlighted in front of the recruiter. If you go further down, you will see more information about the seniority level of the people who have already applied to this particular job. You can see that 11 entry level applicants are there and 2 senior level applicants. So if your educational qualification is of an entry level, then you have a little tougher competition as compared to the scenario if you are a senior level applicant. Yeah, and you can see that there are 40% of people having bachelor's degree and 53% have master's degree. It's a great insight, and this actually helps you to understand if you apply to this particular job, then what is the exact scope of getting this job, and is it really worth it to apply to this job. Yeah, and if I go further down, I can see the different places from where people have applied to this particular job. You can see that people are applying to this job from Turkey, Egypt, and Frankfurt. I will go a bit further down and you can see the hiring trend of this particular company. So you can see that in 2018 they have hired around 15 employees, and in 2019 they hired 28 employees. So it's on an increasing trend. So every year they are increasing their number of hires by, I don't know, maybe 20 people every year. Yeah. So this is a great sign that if you join this company, then it's actually growing since 2018. It's an upward trend, which is a really good information you should be looking at before even applying for a job in a company. And then if you scroll down further, you will also see the companies from where the people are coming and joining Alasco, which is this particular company. So you can see all these companies from where people are moving and coming to this particular company. Yeah, and then if you click the see more company insights, then you will be redirected to the company page, and you can see that chart in detail. And then you can also see the employee related information, that what kind of employees are working in this company. So there are business development employees and in engineering, and you can also see there is a growth of 33% in business development and 50% in engineering, and so on. So let's go back to the job section and search for the Django developer again. So if I go to another company here, then you also see this easy apply option. And if I click this button, then they will ask me some couple of questions. And then if I click submit, then my profile is submitted to this company. So there is no need to upload a CV or, going to the company website and applying there, but rather you can just apply it directly from here. So this is a really great feature of LinkedIn, that you can just click the easy apply button and you are directly applying to the company. And as I said in my previous explanation of the job detail, this job is also explained completely in English, which means they are accepting international applicants as well. So I think, as I said before, you should always go for those jobs where the description is in English. If you find anything which is in German, then do not apply to that job. I'll scroll down a bit further to see the detail of this particular job, and you can see that there are some things which matches for me, and the number of skills which are matching for me is 4 out of 10. And as I said, there are some things which I can also update in my profile, and if I update that and come back here again, then these options will also get a green tick mark there. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you. These are the additional features that you get when you apply to the LinkedIn Premium feature. So if you have a question that how exactly you can apply to the LinkedIn Premium, then you can just click one of these job details, and when you scroll down, it will say this particular section is available only to the premium users, and then there might be a button which asks you to click this button to opt for the premium feature, and it will ask you for the payment details and so on. And LinkedIn is actually providing 1 month of free premium service, so you can use the premium feature for 1 month without paying any fees. So that's a great functionality that you can use and try it for 1 month. You can apply to a lot of jobs by looking at these insights. And I think if you are not able to find a job within that particular 1 month, then you should continue using this premium feature of LinkedIn, and you can also pay for a couple of more months. And I'm sure that within maybe 3 to 4 months, you should be able to get some interview calls. And if you prepare well, then you should be able to crack some of those interviews as well. So that's all for today, and I hope you got value from this particular video. If yes, then please do not forget to click the like button and do subscribe to my channel so that you get notified once I upload similar videos on getting a job in Germany from India. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.